RBI Grade 81 is a groundbreaking new technology for the road building industry. It is a natural inorganic pavement material cum soil stabilizer. It is a grey-colored powder which re-engineers the soil by modifying its properties. Recognizing the lack of availability of readily depleting natural resources, it immensely helps in conserving aggregate and bitumen. There are numerous advantages of using the RBI Grade 81 and they are tremendous in terms of quality. This remarkable technology saves aggregate, time and energy and still provides better and durable pavements. The pavements made from it are also thinner compared to the conventional technology. One of the main advantages of the RBI Grade 81 is the fact that it can be used in extreme temperatures, whether hot or cold. It reduces the maintenance costs of the pavement. RBI Grade 81 is acknowledged as green by global bodies and thus ensures the acquisition of carbon credits for companies using this technology. RBI Grade 81 can be used for constructing expressway, national highways, state highways, rural roads, Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana, Panchayat Raj, forests and mountainous terrains, advanced landing grounds, helipads, parking and hard standing grounds, cold recycling of existing pavements and much more. Stabilization with RBI Grade 81 provides better performing pavements by reducing the moisture susceptibility as well as pavement thickness and by improving the strength. It helps conserve the environment by making best use of locally available construction material. The methods used for this process is mechanical soil stabilization or soil aggregate stabilization. For making long-lasting pavements or roads that can accommodate all kinds of load, we need to study the construction material well in advance, keeping in mind all the critical factors simultaneously. For this, many quality tests and controls are employed like grain size analysis, Atterberg's limit test, modified Proctor test, California bearing ratio, unconfined compressive strength, E-value test, and the durability test including freeze and thaw cycles for snow-bound areas. The superiority of RBI Grade 81 stabilized pavements is evident from the case study of NH58 done on IIT Pave software provided by the Indian Road Congress. The NH58 design with RBI Grade 81 is done using the design value of 10 CBR, California bearing ratio, and 53 MSA, million standard axle. When the NH58 with RBI Grade 81 design is run on IIT Pave software, it not only satisfies the strain test but also establishes the savings of 50% of aggregate and 27% of bitumen over conventional design. Before starting with the construction of stabilized layers, it is very important to know the condition of the construction site in terms of undulations, profile, moisture, etc. The construction methods with RBI Grade 81 can be mechanical, semi-automatic or automatic based on the principal machinery used for mixing the RBI Grade 81 with the construction material. Methodical quality control at every step of the construction is the key to our success. As mixing of the RBI Grade 81 is the backbone of the construction, so engineer in charge ensures that the final mix is consistent and homogeneous in nature irrespective of the method adopted to mix the stabilizer. Performance evaluation of every construction is done to check the various factors of durability and strength. The evaluation is based on many parameters for which highly technical equipments are used. Through RBI Grade 81, we are providing a golden opportunity and on a green platform to sustain development as well as life.